In this step, I'm going to use a presentation to discuss what online whiteboards are great for. Let me go ahead, I'll use Add Media button here and reach for my file. I have my set of slides here. This is a simple 4-slide presentation. I can choose if I want those slides as a separate slides. I can have them as a grid, as a stack of slides, horizontal, vertical alignments also available. I'll choose grid for now. Having some slides ready, I can use the zoom tool to navigate this infinite canvas of ours. This is a virtually unlimited space where you can position your content. After getting familiar with the zoom tool, you might want to use the highlighter here to highlight important parts of existing content. Also, if you'd like to draw, you can use the draw tool here. Here's the thickness, colors. Now we're ready to discuss your materials on a meeting since they are available on the canvas. But sometimes if you want to speak to a larger audience and you want to present using a whiteboard, it's good to use external display. Now, you can connect to external displays using an adapter, cable, or do this wireless. With iPad, there's an option to Airplay your screen. I'm able to show you that using my laptop as external screen here. As you can see, everything I do on a canvas is replicated on external display. What you'll notice is that anyone can see my tools as well. That's sometimes good, but if you don't want to allow that, you can go to the settings and choose external screen mode as not as a mirror, but as a second screen. That's a second option. Now the tools are only visible for me, not for the external viewers, so you can continue with your presentation. Okay.